Hey, what's up, everybody? It's Frank. It's a Saturday afternoon. We're at lunch now. We just did a charity walk for ALS. This is just the next in the series of events we're doing this year in 2021 to hit our 1,000 hours of community service goal. Did over 100 hours today. So we'll see some video of what we did today, and soon we'll be at over that number. So see you on the other side.
It hit close to home for me. I want to tell you a little bit about my connection. When my best friend, who's like my sister, called me almost 6 years ago, and she told me that her mother started losing feeling in her fingers, in her arms, her muscles started weakening, and she started having issues with her back. And we were trying to figure out what was going on. And she called me one day and told me that her mother had been diagnosed with ALS. Their lives have not been the same since. Neither has mine, as someone who's extremely close to the family and wanted to offer as much support as I can. And so I vowed to her that no matter where I go or how far I go, I'll always be a voice for the people living with ALS and for the community. So your presence today means a lot. Your donations, it makes a difference. The services that the ALS Association are able to render, it's because of you. The free services, the support groups, the loan closet, medical equipment that has helped to make a difference in the lives of people living with ALS. So thank you so much again for being here. And also a big thank you to many of our businesses that have lended their support. We have Cava companies, Maxim, Mobility Works. Let's give it up for our national and corporate sponsors.
That's hot. Wow. So check this out. Hey, Angela, that's my dad and my nephew. That's 7 years later. Isn't that incredible? I mean, 9, he looks like him. And then at 16, driving a car. They called me the other day. He's like, Uncle Frank, I'm driving. I'm like, are you supposed to be talking? He goes, no. I go, all right, thanks for calling. Don't crash. See ya. Careful.